How to send voice messages on Discord PC. Now, before doing this process, you need to quit on the Discord first. To do that, just simply click this arrow up below and then right click on your Discord and click quit Discord. Now, we are going to download a specific software called VenDeft. So just pull up your preferred web browser and then go to this website. Just simply type in vendcord.dev. Let's hit enter. You will be routed to this page. All you gotta do is click download vencord and then click download vencord installer.exe. Now once you've downloaded this software right here, you just have to install the software and then click on stable, then click on install. Now once you have successfully installed vencord installer, just close everything first and then go to your Windows icon and pull up your Discord app. Then once this is done, just go ahead and log into your account. Let's wait for it to load up. And then from here, you have to go to your user settings by clicking on this gear icon right here. And then you have to go ahead and look for the vencord plugins that we just installed earlier. So just click on plugins and then search for voice. Now scroll down and make sure voice messages is checked. There you go. And then go back, and then from here you'll be able to send a voice messages to anyone that you would like to be send it to. For example, this one. To send a specific voice message, all you have to do is to click on the plus icon right here and then click send voice message. Now you could choose whether you can go ahead and start recording and then send it, or you can choose to upload a file. So that's how you easily send a voice messages on your Discord PC.